Hello everybody, this is Monsieur RETHO and today we're gonna learn about how to make a French dressing. We call it une vinaigrette. Basically it's got vinegar in it, that's why it's called une vinaigrette in French. It's very good for your salads if you want to make a nice hors d'oeuvre or entree. That's really nice. So what do you need for that? You need first de la moutarde, some mustard, then you need du sel et du poivre, salt and pepper. Then you need some vinegar. You can have red wine vinegar if you want, but I prefer balsamic vinegar because it's giving a bit of a kick. And the last ingredient you need is extra virgin olive oil, de l'huile d'olive extra vierge. Voila, so that's very easy. If you need to have a bowl, then you put 1 spoonful of moutarde, basically that's the size of it, 1 spoonful, and then you add a bit of salt and pepper, you mix a bit, and then you add 1 spoonful of vinegar, and you mix a little bit again, and then 3 spoonfuls of olive oil. If you want to make more, of course, if you put, if you're good at maths, if you put 2 spoonfuls of vinegar, you have to put 3 plus 3, so that's 6 spoonfuls of olive oil. Then you mix, and then you make a very nice vinaigrette salad dressing that you can use for your, if you say you want to make a lovely salad composé, you can put it on, sprinkle it on top of it, and then otherwise you can mix it with tomatoes, cucumbers, or you can make a Greek salad and mix all the ingredients into that salad dressing, French vinaigrette, and that's really nice. So hope you like it, and bon appétit!